this experiment, we will conduct water absorption. For this we will be using the test panel, a weighing scale and a tape measure. The weighing scale will be to measure the initial weight before any water is added. The tape measure is to measure 100 centimeters above to keep the water level and keep this test constant. So the internal of the panel will consist of the insulation, the support frame and the internal support structure. It will be covered with the cork paneling and it will be face down. So now we will measure the initial weight on the scale. So now that the initial weighing has been conducted, we will also conduct a visual inspection to see if there are any changes such as water damage towards the whole of the shelter. So now we will carry on with measuring the required heights and placing the components into the tub. Now that the component is placed in the tub and we have found that 100 centimeters is about here, we can now begin the experiment. We will induce water pour for 30 seconds, then allow 30 seconds for the water to drain, and then we will measure the weight again and visually conduct a search to see if there is much water damage. This will go on for another 27 seconds, but let's keep ahead. So after 30 seconds, now we will leave the panel in the tub for another 30 seconds to allow any excess water to drain naturally without any human influence. We'll come back in 30 seconds. So it has now been 30 seconds and we will remove the panel from the tub and place it on the scale to see if there is a change in weight. So now the visual inspection, we can see that the cork sheet is drenched and it did come off the paneling. So the cardboard is damp. It's got a perimeter where the cardboard is initially soaked in the water. That's due to the material, and that could be a limitation due to the materials we had. Now if you look into the shelter, you can see that the frame also had some water damage, but it doesn't seem to have absorbed much in this certain time limit. Maybe if it was exposed to a longer period of water, it might have been damaged. The support seems to be fully intact. There seems to be no structural damage. It's just slightly damp. Now the main concern is the insulation. The initial top layer seems completely fine. A couple of drops. Apart from that, no water damage. On the bottom, you can see that water has managed to seep in, but small cracks. Most of this is just the cardboard drying, the cardboard glue and drying differently, but there is a little bit of water that seeped in. Apart from that, not much at all. So overall the insulation has worked well. The main concern was the main panel. The initial cork support, that's the only thing that's taken the most amount of water damage, but that's easily replaceable. A better seal around it would have done the job.